Hi students, how are you?
Today we learn about addition and division. At the end of this
Learning objects. Add two-digit numbers with exchanging or remaining. The second one, add three-digit numbers. The third one, add three numbers with the
remaining.
And add fractions with the same denominator. The last mentioned the need to correct addition and fraction in every activity. Let's begin. Knowing a correct addition numbers is important in our everyday activity. It helps us understanding the relationship between a number and quantity. Knowing how much money we need to buy items and knowing how many subjects need to learn, we're adding more than one digit numbers value. What does mean the place value? One is the units digits የአንድ ቤት tens digits, hundreds, thousands, ten thousands, hundred thousands, and millions. Two-digit numbers are placed in 10 and units. For example, 93 is 9 is tens and 3 is the units numbers. For example, 36 plus 22. First, rearrange in place value. 3 and 2 is tens place and 6 and 2 units place. First the units place and second the tens place add up. The result is 58. Second example, 63, 32. Going to adding 63 and 32. We arrange them in place value first, then we add the units together, write down and we add up tens next. That is 95. How about if we add 59 and 23? Okay, rearrange in place value. Then in this case 9 plus 18 17, but we have the right one digit. 17 is the units digits and 1 is the tens digits. Then the remaining value is 1 is to making 1 plus 5. That means 1 plus 5 plus 2 is equal to 8. Remove the remaining part. 87. The result is 87. Next, adding three-digit numbers. The steps is the same steps. 100, tens, and units. 400, 3 tens, and 8 ones. That means 573. Can you guess the place value of the numbers? Correct. 500, 7 tens, and 3 ones. Example. 453 plus 346 add up. First, we place the value, then we add them individually. First what? The units 3 plus 6, 9. Second, the tens place. Third, the 100 per place. Seems like this. So the answer is 799. Whether by remaining, you can try it by three digit numbers. 428 plus 256. First, rearrange. Now 8 plus 8 and 6 is the units digit, so 8 plus 6, 14. Yes, but 1 is tens place, so add up in tens place 1. That means 1 plus 2 plus 5, which gives that 8. The second one is 4 plus 2 is 6. 600 and 8 tens and 4 units. Next example, a special example. 596 plus 356. The sum of the units is 13. Good. 1 is the tens value. So add up. 1 plus 9 plus 5 is equal to 15. 1 5. But 1 is 100 plates. So 1 plus 5 plus 3, 9. Therefore the value is 9. 900, 5 tens and 3 units. Adding fractions with the same denominator. Keep in your mind. In the same denominator. 2 over 3 plus 1 over 6. This means in picturized, the object is divided in 6 parts. Yes, 6 parts. First divided. Then the first one, the 2 part is shaded. The second one, the 1 part is shaded. So 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 over 6. The denominator is a common. Over 6. Let's make more example. This means the object is divided in 20 parts. From that, the first one is take out 3 parts. The second one is take out 8 parts. That means 3 plus 8 gives us 11. The answer is 11 plus 20. The last. 2 over 8 plus 3 over 8. This means the object is divided in 8 parts. Lesson summary. We have come to the end of the lesson. So today we have learned about addition with the remaining. 3 digits with the remaining also. And fractions with the same denominator. The second one is division. We'll learn division at the end of this lesson. Dividing whole numbers below 48. By what? 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Without what? A remainder. Without remainder. Carry out division correctly in everyday activity. Division is splitting a number or an object into parts. The number you are splitting is called dividend. The divisor is going to tell us how many groups should be shared into. This is the symbol of division. So 4 is dividend, 2 is divisor. So the object is divided into 2. That means 4 is divided into 2. 2 is divisor. For example, this is divided into 2 parts. Into 2. The result is 2. Using long division for this simplest way, the long division. 15 divided by 3. First, the sign. Then 1 5 is inside and 3 is divided outside. So 1 divided by 3 is impossible. Therefore 15 divided by 5, we'll write the answer on the top. 48 plus 4 divided by 4. Using the steps, we check out the first number or the 10 digits is possible. Divided by 4. Divided by 4. 4 divided by 1 times. And the result, the remaining 8. 8 divided by 4. Write down. Then 2 times. Therefore, the result is 12. The last example, 20 divided by 5. 2 divided by 5 is impossible by both numbers, which is 25 shared into 5. Therefore, simply 20 divided by 5, 4 times. This is Mame Maths YouTube for today enough. Bye-bye.